All right, how to clean your oven cheap and easy. Well, first you need baking soda and Dawn, a bowl, a non-abrasive sponge, and about 2 cups of water. Okay, first we're gonna put a tablespoon, 1 and 2 tablespoons of Dawn in the bowl here. Gotta get it all out. Sticks to the cup there. Okay, so we got that mixed in there. Stir it up a little. All right, got your sponge. Get that in there, let it soak a little bit. Okay, we're gonna put our baking soda down. And this works on the glass, on the body, inside the oven too. Okay, so we get our sponge, kind of wring it out just a little, not too much. It's gotta be kind of damp. And we're gonna work that baking soda in. Circular motion. Nice little circles. And you'll start noticing that the grit starts going away really quick too. Let's check a spot out real quick, see what happened. Yeah. Uh-oh, it's starting to look like a mirror under there. Okay, this is what it looked like before. That's what it looks like now. Little soap on there, hold on. Oh yeah. Look at that. That looks pretty good. Let's go spot right here. Let's go after that right there. See, this doesn't take long either. It's like the baking soda, Dawn, 2 tablespoons of Dawn, and the water do the trick. You can notice when you're using your non-abrasive sponge that it'll stop being rough when you're rubbing it. Same thing for what happened when I was in here. Okay. Just keep going back and forth this area real quick. Do some circles. 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 And then wipe away. And that puppy's looking pretty clean right there. Now these little spots right here, I'm gonna show you a tool I use for grouting. Okay, I got my tool here. It's just a little spatula, okay? And you get these from Lowe's, and I'll leave a link on the description below. It's real easy here. Let's say we got a spot right here. Okay. You do not want to use a metal scraper. You can damage the glass. You can damage the inside of the oven too. For that really gritty stuff that just won't come up, sometimes it just takes a good old spatula to get it off. There it is, looking pretty doggone good there. Got a little flake right there. Yeah, doesn't look too bad there. Stuff's coming off. This is what it looked like when we started. It's only been a minute. We're down to this. Okay, so don't forget your spatula. And definitely get after the inside of the oven too. Works great. The mix is the baking soda, 2 tablespoons of Dawn with 2 cups of water. Sometimes it's best to have it warm. Now for inside the oven, sometimes you get these nasty, nasty burn marks that just won't come up. So you gotta use your spatula on that too. Remember, I said use a plastic one. And these things are unique because when you start scraping with them, they're not scraping as well anymore. You just flip them over, and they'll work the other way. When that side gets bad, you just flip it over again. You just keep using it to get up all this stuff. Okay, so we see we're already getting some of it off. Let's go after that little flake right there. Okay, stuff's popping off. Add a little bit of our compound there on there. Okay. Sounds smooth again. Flip it over. All right. Look at that. That's looking pretty nice there. It's coming off. Last flake off there. That one spot. There it goes. It's gone. It all comes up. So the mix put on there, and as you're scraping, works really good. So give this a shot, folks. It works for me. Good luck. God bless.